Hello, and thank you again for joining me today on Common Sense Africa. It's always a pleasure having you. If you are a returning viewer, thank you and continue to support our channel. We are grateful to have you back. If you are watching this channel for the first time and you would like to support us and what we are saying is making sense, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for joining us. Today on Common Sense Africa, I would like to talk to you about something that is very important. The problem of making extra cash, making extra money. Are you able to make extra money with 1,000 rand? Today specifically, I'll be looking at how to make money online. Tips on how to make money online. It can't come at a better time than during this time when the world is suffering from this COVID-19 pandemic and people are looking at how do we get extra cash. Selling online, it's very, very important, and it has become even bigger following this pandemic where people cannot go out to malls, people cannot go to shops, people have been reduced to looking at how do we get what we want online. So the question is, if you are not on the online market and you want to join online, here are some 4 basic tips I will give to you today. The first tip in selling online is, it's simple. People buy what they use. And even after the pandemic, people are looking at things that solve problems. People want to eat. People want to look good. People want to take care of themselves. So look around your kitchen. Look around your household. Check other big e-commerce sites. Check Takealot. Check Amazon. Check others. See what other people are selling. Pick something that you like and you are able to sell. I can tell you, when I started selling online, one of the things that was really my priority was, I am a lady and I do menstruate. So why not look for a product that solves my own problem and become part of it, and I will be able to solve a problem and make extra money. Then I started with our own selling sanitary pads online. And I can tell you it's been growing. And I went further to look at other products selling wearable technology. I mean, online. Before you know it, you start seeing, I realized that, oh, I could turn over 100,000 rand a month. I could turn over 150,000 rand a month just selling online. Wow, that was something to me to show you that the online market works. While you are sleeping, they are buying. You wake up in the morning, you've made extra money. So the first tip is, pick a product. Check around your kitchen, check around your household, find something that people really need, and you can begin to sell online. The second tip I'm going to share with you today is, decide where you want to sell. When I started selling online, I didn't know where to start. I had ordered a number of products and now products have arrived, and I thought I was going to have a shop here and there and then listing challenges and getting access to malls. I tell you, if you live in this part of the world, if you live in South Africa and you want to start a retail business and you approach some of the big malls, then you begin to realize, oh, they ask you, bring a list of what you want to sell. You say, oh, these are my product list. Or they say, you can't sell this. Pick and Pay is selling. You can't have this in your shop. ShopRite is selling. And then you stand and you ask, but why? I want to also sell. I want to give consumers an option to choose to buy from me or not from the others. But it is not that easy. So because of that, I said, all right, if all doors are closed, let me go online. Then I started searching Macro online. I realized that you could list your products on Macro online. Then I opened a seller's account. Obviously, they asked me company details, other things I sent to them. Then they got my company listed on selling on Macro online. The next step was, I realized Takealot. I said, okay, let me give it a try. I went to Takealot. They asked me for profile and this and that, and I sent all the requirements. Got listed on Takealot. Before I know it, the sales started skyrocketing. So one option is to choose to sell on a second party's website, like Takealot, like Macro, like Amazon. I also have an Amazon account, and Shopify and others. So you can make a decision and say, I'll list on this website, then you will sell on those websites. Another thing is you can decide to have your own website. When we started, we didn't have a proper website, but now we have Whistle Tech. And if you go to Whistle Tech, you're going to see all our beautiful products. We are interested in health, in wellness. So you're going to see all kinds of products, ranging from your skincare products. You can see my African skin, well maintained by natural products that we have in various range. If you are dealing with different kinds of products, we also have health and wellness products. So hit the button on your screen, subscribe to our newsletter, and you are able to get more information about how to structure your online business and how to make money online. Another thing, I've given you tip number 1, decide what product you want to sell. Tip number 2, decide where you want to sell it, selling with a second party or selling directly. Tip number 3, how do you want to get paid? Then when I started selling on Takealot for them and Macro, they've got structure in place whereby they've got systems where you give them your banking details, and when you sell a product, they take out their cost of sales and they agreed upon commissions. Then you get paid at the end of the week for every sales for that week. And what happens is that is a payment method. But if you are selling on your own website, like I now do on Whistle Tech, what you will have to do is you will have to decide different payment methods that you want to use for payment for your different products. So you will have to get these digital payment methods, integrate them into your website, or you want people to deposit money into your bank account. But you need to know that if you are selling online, there is a need to know, how will I get paid? How will the products be shipped to the client? I just realized now that with your Postnet door-to-door delivery or Postnet to Postnet delivery for 99 Rand, you can use that. And for certain items, you charge your clients and they are happy to pay the shipping cost. You do that. For Takealot, there is also shipping cost involved, and you are able to pay that. They call it fulfillment cost. So the first tip I've given you, it's find what you want to sell. The second tip I've given you, where you want to sell. The third tip I've given you, how are you going to get paid and deliver the products to the client, because you don't want to sell something you can't deliver, or sell something client is not able to pay you. And the last thing I'm going to tell you is what I have experienced myself. Create your own brand. Create your own brand. What others call white label. You don't have to open a huge manufacturing firm to become your own brand. You go to big manufacturers, negotiate with them, and tell them that I want my own brand. If I'm selling toothpaste, I want a Whistle toothpaste. If I'm selling sanitary pads like we do, we've got our own Whistle sanitary pads. I want our own brand. If we are selling smart bracelets like we do, we have our own smart bracelets, the Whistle one. So these tips I tell you, if you try and implement them and to start your own online hustle, before you know it, you will not be making 100,000 or turning over 100,000 or 150,000 a month, like we have been able to do on Takealot and other trading platforms. But you will start small. You will start from somewhere. And if you are diligent and you work hard, I promise you, before you know it, you will have extra income. If you want to learn more about different tips on how to grow your online business, how to expand your online business, click the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our weekly newsletters, subscribe to Common Sense Podcast, and we are going to help you to grow your business and become what you want, realize your dreams. We are truly, truly grateful for having you today. Thank you actually for joining us and watching this channel today. Remember, if you want to stay connected to us in the future, you have to subscribe to our website. And like I told you, if you want to improve yourself and have extra money from selling online, you better take action and you better take it now. And if you enjoyed this video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. We are really grateful for having you today. Thank you. And until next time, keep well.